Pressing this button will confirm the connection between the cash machine and the kiosk. All denominations will be set to CB by default, which means all bills of that type will go to the cash box at the bottom of the cash machine. Changing a denomination to PS will send all of the bills of that denomination to the cash recycler. Bills in the cash recycler will be dispensed as change at the end of a transaction. Any transaction that is not a whole dollar amount will be rounded up automatically. Pressing the empty button will empty all the contents of the recycler into the cash box. Before bills can be removed from the machine, they must be inside of the cash box. The cash recycler can be removed from the top of the machine. In the event that there's a bill jam, the plastic key attached to the side can be used to turn the gears and clear the jam. The entire cash machine can slide out on a tray for convenience. First, press on the side button to release the latch. You may need to pull up on the latch, and then the cash machine should easily slide out. The cash box is located at the bottom of the cash machine. It's a thin metal box where the bills can be removed. Simply pull on the lever inside of the door and remove your cash.